Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hard reset any of your Samsung devices in 2025 in case you have forgotten your pattern or password. This method is a little different from the older devices. First, you guys have to connect your phone to PC as I have done here. Now after that we have to force restart our phone and then get it into the recovery menu. So to force restart your Samsung, you guys have to press and hold the power and volume down keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the phone restarts, release the volume down key and quickly hold on to the volume up key, and then release the power key while keep holding on to the volume up key when the Samsung logo appears. Keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu comes up. Here you can see that we have got into the recovery menu. Now inside the recovery menu, you guys can use the volume keys to navigate through the option and then use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then select factory data reset. This will delete all the data on your phone, including your files and photos, etc. You can see that the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system now. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Now when the phone turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing the setup, you guys will be able to use your phone normally again. Thanks for watching.